this was my lockdown project. It's a bike I bought about a couple of years ago in lockdown. Cost me just over a couple of £100 as a non-runner. Bike was completely stock paint colour on it, still the factory colour, black. I've just put a matte lacquer on the bike. Throughout lockdown, I slowly upgraded the bike, component by component. So first thing I did on it was to put on the big bore kit. That's a Dr. Evolution 70cc kit. I've also ported the engine as well, and that gives a much more performance, and also the squish is reduced down to about 0.7 millimeters. Also, I found this Arrow Extreme exhaust. This is one of the few sports exhausts which actually fit the Vespa and doesn't hit the bodywork. Again, that gives a lot more power as well. And on the transmission side, I've stuck with the stock variator. I've put on the Dr. Pulley sliders. They seem to work really well. I've tried the Polini high-speed variator. Didn't quite like it. I thought the factory variator with the sliders worked actually better. It's also got a Polini gear-up kit, just to give it more higher speed as well. Carburettor is stock. It's the 17.5mm Delotto. This bike is jetted at 84. Yeah, it's an 84 jet. The airbox is still the factory one. It's got a Polini filter in there, and also the restrictor has been removed from the airbox. Also, the CDI has been upgraded as well. That's a top Performances CDI. Has also got a variable ignition on it, so at low revs it advances the ignition, and when you go above 8,000 revs it'll retard the ignition. Okay, suspension is completely stock. It's running Michelin tyres. I've also painted the wheels as well, so they look nice and new and fresh. Let's take her out for a ride.